Hello YouTube world, how are you all doing? My name is Dan and welcome to my video series. Today I'm going to do an update to my day one of my high ticket affiliated marketing series. And if you're watching this video, do me a favor and please go back and watch the day one. This will be a day one update, so I'll actually put it in between the day one and the day two, just because multiple income funnel has changed a little bit, and I just wanted to update you on some of the changes that they have done. But everything in my videos is still completely valid on how to create videos, and I'm going to be creating day 4 and day 5 over the next couple of days to continue this series. And so I wanted to go in, so after you click on my link, so you'll click on 4 streams, 4 income, and let me pause that. You'll come in here, you enter your name and your best email, and then it will take you to the sales page. And then after you sign up, you'll get to this page. And then and after you created your login and password, it'll take you to this page. So and also I recommend, I can kind of see, let me go ahead and log in here. I can see under my business, if I click on this link right here, I can see who has decided to go with the monthly plan or the yearly plan. And most of the folks that decide to just go yearly have a lot better business. I started out with the monthly plan. I kind of wasted a little money. I wasted 2 months, so I should have just bought a yearly plan, but to begin with. But anyway, that's my suggestion. You're welcome to go monthly, but that's just my suggestion because the yearly is overall is a little bit cheaper. Got interrupted there by my wife really quick. And so what'll happen is that you'll get this little welcome, congratulations, and then so watch this video right here first. It's a little bit different video than some of the previous, and then next thing you want to do is you want to go and click on watch the video, step 1. Make sure to join their Facebook group. I'm in the Facebook group, and if you I'm not sure why it says that I'm not, but I am a member of their Facebook group. And I click on that and then just join their Facebook group. And then go to step 2, and this is where you want to set up all your income streams. And so your first income string will be for multiple income funnel itself. So you can see, as you can see, I'm completed. And then there's this newer program called E1U Life. And actually, I'm not real familiar with this program. I hear it's really good. This is relatively new. I just haven't looked at it yet, but it's something I'm going to get around to. Then there's income stream 3, Home Business Academy, which I actually have. If you go to birdiesaffiliates.com, I have a whole step-by-step 11 video series on how to get you started in the Home Business Academy. So if you join that, it's another good program. Like I said, I have a whole training series dedicated to Home Business Academy. And then there's income stream number 4, which is great. You can actually sign up for free for Traffic Authority, and you can purchase traffic to sell your link, and I purchase traffic every month. It works pretty well. I've made a lot of sales using Traffic Authority. And then if you click up here, there's bonus income streams, My Lead Gen Secrets. I talk about this in my videos number 2 and 3. You'll learn a little bit more about My Lead Gen Secrets in those videos. TextBot AI, I'm sure some of you have probably gotten texts from folks trying to sell you some things. And the bonus income stream number 7 is the Fast Lane affiliate system. So that's worth also looking at and decide if you want to purchase it. This is some really good training that you'll probably like. And then what you do, there's some other things. There's a lot of training that's available, like the 7 steps. You want to watch this first, along with my training videos. Talks about traffic, follow-up, YouTube, Facebook, and all kinds of different things under 7 steps. And I talk about some of this in video 1 also. The biggest thing I just wanted to point out was just things are just a little bit different. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and set up your e-wallet, and then step 4 is just a little back office tour. You can go through that. The e-wallets, you need to set that up because that's how you get paid. I think it's every 2 weeks with this program you get paid. And then you can look at some other things up here if you like. But anyway, this video I just wanted to do a little supplemental video in between 1 and 2 because it has changed a little bit from video 1. The income streams have changed a little bit. They've added Home Business Academy. They've added E1U Life, which I mentioned I'm just not really that familiar with yet. but you can check that out. Home Business Academy, I have a training program for, and then you're currently in the multiple income funnel, and that's what you're going through right now watching my videos. And that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you watching, and if you would, you could do me a favor and subscribe to my series and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And thank you for watching this short little video.